Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily download a Reels video and find it in your gallery, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open Instagram and then tap on the Reels icon in the bottom right here. From here, choose the video that you want to download. Let's say I want to download this one. Tap on the icon right here and then tap on copy link. From here, go to your browser and go to this website, snapinsta.app. You can see here in the top you have a lot of options. You can download photos, you can download videos, stories. For this video we'll see how to download Reels, so go ahead and tap on the Reels icon right here. After that, paste the link that you have copied earlier and then tap on download right here. Tap on close to close the ad, scroll down and tap on the download in the blue button right here. Skip the ad again. And as you can see here, the video started downloading and you'll find it later in your gallery. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.